Hi angels, hi my divas. I'm back with another video. So in today's video I have an unboxing or an unbagging right over here. If you didn't notice the elephant in the room, I have my MARC JACOBS Snapshot camera bag right here, and I want to go ahead and do the unboxing with you ladies. So if you like videos like these, go ahead, hit the like button as well as subscribe to the channel. Go ahead, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload videos. So let me start off by saying, guys, it's kind of late at night right now and I got back a little while ago from the outlets, and I went to the outlets and I didn't even go looking for that MARC JACOBS bag. I went to the Coach outlet like I normally do, shopping at Coach online, the Coach outlet online, or shopping at the outlet. I went to go shop at the outlet and I made a little detour into MARC JACOBS. I went looking for another bag, and we'll talk about that at a later date, but I ended up falling in love with the Snapshot camera bag by MARC JACOBS. Before we talk about the bag and do the unboxing, let me go ahead and remind you guys that we are in a giveaway. If you don't know, if this is your first time on my channel, I'm doing a crock giveaway, yay, on my channel. So I'm doing a massive crock giveaway on my channel, you guys. It's not too late for crock season. I just realized that for the month of October, the slogan for the Croc store was Croctober. So I was really happy to learn about that, and that made me feel like, yes, it is not too late for Croc season, you guys. So we still have several of these puppies that we have to give away. Right now we are on size 9, this pair right here. So to go ahead and enter the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to the channel, and I can see in my YouTube who's subscribed. I can see in my YouTube who's watching the videos. I can also see in my YouTube who's liking my videos, you guys. So go ahead, remember to give this video a big like as well as subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload, and in the comment section down below, put Croc size 9 and you'll be entered for the Croc giveaway. So go ahead for Croc size 9. Enter, you guys, for the Croc giveaway. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. I'm so excited about this bag. The first thing that I need to do is, let's go ahead. Here's my receipt. Go ahead and take my receipt out of there. Let's get rid of my receipt and go ahead and open this baby up. I'm so happy for this bag. So it came in the lovely MARC JACOBS shopping bag. And I will say that because it was the outlet, I thought I was gonna really save a bundle on the bag. It was about $25 cheaper than the store. It was about $25 cheaper than the price of the store. And this is the way it came. So there's nothing else in my bag here. Let's just set that over here. There's nothing else in the bag. So it was about $25 cheaper. So saving $25 definitely helped. But I thought because it was the outlet, I was going to get like a really mega deal on it. The outlet and the store don't have the exact same type of the bag. Online, they didn't have this particular color that I picked up. Online for the Snapshot, just as recently as when I checked, they only had the Snapshot. I got the version that's called DTW, Dyed to Match. So of the version that's called Dyed to Match, DTW, they didn't have this color online. They only had it in about 6 other colors. They had a lovely color called Sunkissed that's so pretty, and they had a couple of other colors, but they didn't have this particular color that I picked up mine in. And what I like about the Dyed to Match camera bag is the ones that are DTM, Dyed to Match, are so sleek because they're just one solid color. The double J's are the same. The hardware is basically the same color as the bag. So the Dyed to Match versions of the bag, the hardware is the same color as the bag. So it's like a sleek color. If you get the black, you're gonna get the black on black. You're gonna get the green hardware and the green leather. It's such a beautiful bag. So I ended up going with this color, and okay, I have the dust bag right here. I ended up taking it out the dust bag. I wanted to go ahead and film this video tonight, and I'll probably look crazy, you guys, because I'm kind of tired from a long day. I wanted to go ahead and film this video tonight. So yeah, so this is the dust bag cover right here. And let's go ahead and open this baby up. So this is what it looks like. It's totally wrapped. They had to bring it from the back. It wasn't one that was on the showroom floor. Matter of fact, they didn't even have the camera bags on the showroom floor. They had another version of a bag that was like a camera bag, but they didn't have the snapshots out on display at the MARC JACOBS Outlet. The only one that they had that was out on the floor on display was the tie-dyed ones. They had the blue and the pink tie-dyed ones, but all the other Snapshot bags they had in the back, I had to ask them to bring it out. So this is it right here. This is what she looks like. I got a lovely burgundy color. That's the Dyed to Match DTW. And it's such a nice bag. So let me go ahead and finish taking the strap off. She is so sleek and pretty. Just a gorgeous bag. So like I said, I went to the outlet to go to the coat store and got myself in a whole world of trouble with this MARC JACOBS bag. And I went in the MARC JACOBS store because I was looking for another particular MARC JACOBS bag that I would like to eventually get into my collection, but they didn't have it at the outlet. So I went with this. Now the straps, okay, so it comes with this nice piece of foam to protect it. Look at how pretty that is in the Dyed to Match version of the bag. The hardware is the same burgundy color as the leather, as the Saffiano leather. So it's Saffiano leather, beautiful Saffiano leather, as well as the hardware is in that same, look at that burgundy color. And it's the light in here, you know, is making it look a little bit more shiny. It looks so sleek though. There you can see it this way, how it's all, it basically looks like one color. You don't even really hardly, you know, notice it. You can see the double J's there for the Snapshot bag. And I love the long tab that you get. You get the long tabs on this bag that are just so long. I might have to use some scissors here. So I absolutely am loving this bag. Let me go ahead and open that, and I think I have to cut this part right here. So this is gonna be a nice little grab and go bag. This is gonna be such a nice little grab and go bag for me. I'll be able to put some card holders in here, my cash, as well as just, you know, my lipstick, a little bit of makeup, not too much. And look, it looks so good. I'm so happy that I just got back and I still have on my jacket. I plan on wearing it with my leather jackets and my all black. So we'll be able to see exactly how this baby looks on me. I'm so glad that I have you guys here to experience opening this baby with me. Switch up sometimes from my coat signature canvas, you know, Louis Vuitton or Dooney and Burke, occasionally to other brands. Okay, look at this. I love the color of the hardware. I hope you, there it is. I hope you guys could see that. The burgundy is just so beautiful. How that, like I said, the name of it is Dyed to Match. So everything is just sleek, all one color. Let me go ahead and take this tag off right here. Cut that tag off, and you can see it says MARC JACOBS right there. And I don't know if you're going to be able to read all of that on camera. I'll try to insert it somewhere. And then I have to go ahead and take the plastic off. I had to go ahead and just get the plastic off. It was taking me a while there to get the plastic off on camera. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys that I was able to get the plastic off the tabs. And this is such a little beauty right here. I love this strap. The straps are removable and adjustable. And you get a seatbelt version type strap that's like a nylon material, and it says MARC JACOBS on the strap, but you see how it's all one color. You know, some versions of the bag have the different colors, and then they also did this in different types of prints with, like, there's some that have fur on them and shearling and fun fur. Then there's a version that has the peanuts and Charlie Brown, just like a really fun special edition, one of the bags. And like I said, this is the one that's called Dyed to Match. So it's so pretty. It's all burgundy, and they have the all black version of this bag as well. And the bag is about 7 inches long by about 4 inches tall by 2 inches wide. So she's 7 by 4 by 2, and she can hold a lot. She does have a pocket in the back, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove this right here, this paper that it came stuffed with. And let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. So they have it stuffed. I'm gonna go ahead and take the stuffing out. They have her quite, you know, stuffed pretty good. She's a nice small little bag, but she's gonna be able to hold a lot. So she has 2 separate compartments. And that is everything. And then she comes with her little booklet that says MARC Jacobs in there. And I don't know how well I'm going to be able to show you guys the interior of this bag. It's just all black in there, and you can see it has two sides, two compartments. But this is it, and it says MARC Jacobs at the top right here. And then this is what the bottom looks like. So this is my new baby, you guys. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna zip her up. Even though I don't have anything in her right now, I wanna go ahead and try this baby crossbody. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what this baby looks like across me. So I have my UGG scarf on and my leather jacket and my jeans. And this is how I would normally wear her. I was out at the outlet mall shopping, and I just had on, you know, normal, everyday, casual clothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her across me. Oh, this is so super cute. so super cute. So this is what she looks like, you guys, across me. Let me move that out the way so you can see. So cute, right? Okay, there we go. And then the tassels hang, you know, kind of long, but that's what she's gonna look like on me. I think she looks so cute on me. Like I said, I do have on a scarf right now, an UGG scarf, but I think she looks so super cute. Let me open up my scarf so you guys can really see what she looks like. And this is the MARC Jacobs Snapshot bag in the dye to match color, and it's so cute. That's what she looks like. This is what she looks like. So absolutely, I'm loving her. So I just wanted you guys to hang out with me, enter the giveaway, as well as subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon in another video.